Tired of MACD giving you late signals or fake crossovers? What if you used two MACDs at once to actually confirm your trades before you enter? This is the 2 MACD with Signals Indicator. It puts a fast MACD and a slow MACD on the same chart. The fast one reacts quickly to price, and the slow one filters out the noise and confirms the bigger trend. For a buy, you want the fast MACD crossing above its signal line, the slow MACD also turning upward, a buy arrow appearing on the chart, and the histogram bars growing above the zero line. Price should be holding above support, too. For a sell, it is the opposite. The fast MACD crosses below its signal line. The slow MACD turns downward. A sell arrow shows up. Histogram bars grow below the zero line, and price stays under resistance. When both MACDs agree, that is your stronger, more confident signal. Pro tip: this works best on trending markets, higher time frames like H1, H4, or daily, and during active sessions like London or New York. Avoid choppy, sideways markets, and always wait for a pullback before entering for a safer trade. 2 MACDs, 1 clear signal, fewer false entries. Want this indicator for free? Head to Forex MT4Indicators.com and grab your download now.